Hey guys, Dave from Asset Plant Machinery. Today we're going to overview our Steelmaster Industrial HBS370 semi-automatic bandsaw. This is a 0 to 60 miter cutting bandsaw, semi-automatic, which means it's got a hydraulic clamp, hydraulic release, and also hydraulic beam down and beam return. Very popular, high quality Steelmaster bandsaw made in Taiwan for Asset Plant Machinery. We fit all of these machines off with the highest fittings like carbide blade guides, with a 27mm wide blade, so it gives you accurate cutting. We've got blade tension gauge on the front. Everything about this saw is super quality, and being semi-auto gives you a semi-automatic operation. So you clamp material, release material, beam down, beam up. So we'll just run through some of the key features. The HBS370 is a 360 by 250 capacity, and as said, miters from 0 to 60 degrees. It's also a double miter bandsaw, which means that the clamping mechanism there can actually slide left and right hand side of the bow. So let's run through some of the key features. Main operating console on the right hand side there. So we've got the automatic feature there, the semi-auto, so it can work in automatic mode there as well, or hand mode. As I said, it's got tungsten blade guides down there. So the tungsten blade guides keep the blade accurate and give you accurate cutting for many years. We've also got the blade tensioning gauge at the front, so when you keep that in the green, that's your perfect tension for your blade, which means, once again, square cutting and also a longer blade life. We've also got the E-stops here and here as well, and we've also got the power down feed on and off control there, and also power down feed rate right there as well. That's your miter cutting locking mechanism there. So basically you loosen that off there, and we'll just sort of show you how easy it is to actually miter the head round. So simply just sort of miter that round there, and you can miter the head from 0 to 60 and also bring it back to a positive stop 90 degrees. Lock that back up again. Now this is the double action vise there, so I'll just wind that back off a tick and wind it off there and show you how this works. So that basically slides left and right hand side, so that's what they call that, a double mitre cutting saw. So we'll lock that back up again here. Now around this side here, one key feature on our HBS 315 and 370 and also 530, a quick action vise locking system. So if I push that down, I can actually slide this vise out rapidly. See, nice and easy to use. So I'll push that back again and then lock that up. So there's your main key features of your HBS semi-auto bandsaw. Now, we'll do a cycle of this as well, so we'll just put that in there. I'll bring that up, it's just a piece of timber of course, bring that up there so it locks by itself. Now the semi-auto vise clamping has around 30-40mm travel, so you've got to bring your, if you're cutting a batch of things, bring it in sort of fairly close to where it's got to go. Okay, so we'll put it in, turn it on to make sure she's on. It's in a, as I said, we've also got manual mode there as well, so in manual mode we can actually sort of power that down as well, so we're powering the bow down or power it back up again. So you can use it in a full manual mode or semi-auto. If you don't want it to go all the way back up, simply adjust your limit switch setting right there as well on the side, so you turn that, and that's a limit switch setting that actually gives you full control where the bow comes back to. Basic length stop, we've got full roller conveyors to stock and run out tables as well. And so we'll put that to auto mode. Now we've also got two speeds on this one. We've got slow and fast, basically slow for your stainless, faster for your carbon steel. We've got cooling off and on, isolating switches and everything else around there. So that's in auto mode now. So basically we'll turn that on, and as you can see, it's coming clamped, and that's going to come down, cut the bit of timber, and then return back to its start position. And that's the semi-auto feature of a Steelmaster semi-auto bandsaw. So there's our HBS 370-SAM. Jump onto assetplant.com.au or call us on 1800 812 415. Thanks and have a great day.